The ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict, comprehensive update as of May 7, 2024. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine, now spanning 14 months, persists as a multifaceted and devastating war. Here is an in-depth overview of the latest developments. Military front. Eastern Front. The fiercest battles continue in eastern Ukraine, notably in the Donbas region. Russia's focus on capturing Sloviansk and Kramatorsk faces resilient Ukrainian resistance, resulting in significant casualties amidst trench warfare. Southern Front. The situation in southern Ukraine remains relatively static. While Russia controls a land corridor linking Crimea to Donbas, Ukrainian forces are striving in counteroffensive efforts, stalemate or offensive. Analysts debate whether the current scenario signifies a true stalemate or if Russia is preparing for a renewed offensive. Ukrainian forces exhibit remarkable resilience but lack the firepower of the Russian military. Humanitarian crisis. Civilian impact. The conflict's toll on civilians is immense, with thousands dead and millions displaced. Cities like Mariupol are in ruins and over 14 million Ukrainians are either refugees or internally displaced. Food security. The war's disruption of global food supplies, particularly as Ukraine is a significant wheat exporter, raises concerns about potential famine in regions like Africa and the Middle East. War crimes. Evidence of war crimes, including shelling of civilian areas and extrajudicial killings by Russian forces, has prompted international investigations. Global ramifications. Economic sanctions. Western sanctions on Russia have severely impacted its economy and technology access. Restrictions on Russian energy exports are contributing to global energy price hikes. Alliance shifts. The conflict has reshaped global alliances with Western solidarity against Russia. Applications by Finland and Sweden to join NATO represent a notable change in European security dynamics. Cybersecurity concerns. Both sides' involvement in cyber warfare raises alarms about potential attacks on critical infrastructure. Diplomatic efforts. Stalled negotiations. Peace talks between Russia and Ukraine have reached an impasse, primarily due to disputes over Ukrainian territorial integrity and Russian security demands. Mediation attempts. International mediators like Turkey are striving to facilitate a peace agreement, albeit with gradual progress. Long-term outlook. Many experts anticipate a prolonged conflict with dire repercussions for Ukraine and global stability. Future prospects. Key questions. The conflict's future hinges on Russia's military capabilities, Ukraine's resistance, diplomatic breakthroughs, or potential escalation. Global impacts. Food scarcity, energy disruptions, economic slowdown, and uncertainties persist, affecting populations and economies worldwide. Uncertainties and influential factors. Critical considerations. Ukraine's resilience, Western military support, Russian domestic pressures, and China's stance are pivotal in shaping the conflict's trajectory. Ongoing observations. The nuclear threat debate, information warfare, infrastructure and economic repercussions, and concerns of a broader Russia-NATO conflict remain pertinent. The evolving Russia-Ukraine conflict underscores the need for vigilance and reliance on credible information sources. The war's deep-rooted complexities and far-reaching consequences necessitate global attention and strategic responses to mitigate its impact on humanity and global stability. This detailed narrative encapsulates the intricate dynamics of the Russia-Ukraine conflict as of May 7, 2024, emphasizing the evolving nature of the situation and its profound implications for the region and beyond.